Different workflows. On-site photo capture. Import data in specified format. If you already set your data fields, then you could see a specific format while adding data. If you have not set any data fields, then import any format and your data fields will be set according to the files imported. If you do not have data with you, you may add data instantly and start typing against every caption. You may assign photo from any folder or can click high definition photo instantly with camera connected. Clicked photo can be zoomed and panned to match required face size and position. You may adjust photo size by scrolling and required face size and position. The green box guides you about face area and the black border guides you about vertical orientation in case photo is horizontal. Photo can be edited instantly by applying ready color correction preset or professional color correction tools like levels, curves, RGB correction. Any plain background from photo can be replaced with any other plain background instantly. If data has requirement of multiple photos, then multiple photos can be clicked and corrected. Save data will save the changes and start next data entry, or you may choose to save and exit. You may print that individual entry as a card immediately if the printer is connected, or can prefer to save it as PDF as well. Printer settings can be managed here before printing. Match photos to data. Import data in specified format. If you already set your data field, specified format can be found after exporting blank data. If you have not set your data fields, then import any format and your data fields will be set accordingly. If you do not have data with you, you may add data instantly and start typing against every caption. You may adjust photo size and required face size and position. Open folder where you have all photos need to assign. You may preview all photos on board. You can color correct all photos by opening them in photo correction mode. Photos can be edited instantly by applying ready color correction presets or professional color correction tools like curves, levels, RGB correction. Any plain background of photo can be replaced with any other plain background instantly. Each photo can be dragged and dropped to desired data without even opening it. You may adjust photo size by scrolling and required face size and position. The green box guides you about the face area and the black border box guides you about the vertical orientation in case the photo you have imported is horizontal. You may print an individual iCard while entering data or can save as PDF to print later or prefer package printing. Import data along with photos. Data can be imported along with photos if photo file names are mentioned with photo format extension in Excel column and photos in desired folder. You may set the data fields and photo fields for company or organization and can export a blank data sheet. You will get a perfect sheet with all fields as columns where you have to add the data and import it again.